Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure you have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a never-seen-before opportunity to create and sell mind-blowing professional books and business documents in just seconds, with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So if you too are willing to grab your share from the huge $28 billion professional book and business documents industry, you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting eBGenius, brand new 100% Google Bard and Leonardo AI powered app creates professionally looking 50,000 plus children's story ebooks, subjective ebooks, fiction ebooks, mystery ebooks, science fiction ebooks, novels, poems, legal documents, project report presentations, loaded with beautiful templates, powerful AI images, with 100% PLR rights for a low one-time price. With this amazing technology in your marketing arsenal, now even newbies can make great profits daily by instantly creating and selling these professional books and business documents in PDF, EPUB, or any format with no prior writing or designing skill. Just follow 3 easy steps. Step 1, log in. Step 2, create. Step 3, profit. And that's it. You're all set to make profits from this lucrative professional books and business documents industry with no initial investment or third-party dependency. Here are some amazing benefits you get with eBGenius. First-to-market next-gen technology that creates professional books and business documents like never before. Instantly grab your share from the huge $28 billion professional books and business documents industry. Create premium mind-blowing books and business documents loaded with stunning images to convert visitors into customers. Drive maximum audience attention to your professional books and business documents by adding eye-catchy images, visuals, etc. Create and sell professional documents in a variety of formats, including EPUB, PDF, and Mobi. Bake in big by distributing these documents to a variety of platforms such as online retailers, social media marketers, affiliate marketers, email marketers, etc. Instantly create professional covers that are both attractive and mind-blowing. Make professional books and business documents for any offer in any niche with no prior tech hassles or coding skills. Use these industry standard documents to create multiple set and forget passive income streams. Proprietary tech helps join thousands of marketers who are making billions of dollars creating professional documents for their clients. Never worry about paying huge money monthly to expensive third-party platforms. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology that's never seen before. And to sweeten the deal, we're also offering tons of premium bonuses that are available only during the special launch deal. But make it fast, as this is a limited time offer. Once you close this page, this special deal will be a goner. To remove all risks, your purchase is fully covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. But you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, eBGenius will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get eBGenius for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.